Hi, this is Tony Javier, and this is my latest flip. Every home has a story. Sometimes it just needs someone like us to rewrite that story. When we purchase property, we buy it exactly as it sits. No repairs, no updates, no open houses, no showings, just a simple, straightforward solution for the seller. From there, that's where the transformation begins. Our team steps in and focuses on the improvements that truly make the biggest difference. First, we modernize the kitchens because that's where everybody gathers. And we make the bathrooms like new because clean, updated spaces matter. Anytime you can improve the layout and flow, it can really increase the value of the house and the appeal. It just makes everything more open and way more functional. And we always upgrade flooring, lighting, and paint. Those are the things that instantly change things and provide the greatest return on investment. And then of course, we make sure everything's solid, including the mechanical systems and the structure. Real value isn't just cosmetic, it's functionality, it's comfort, and it's confidence when someone walks into the space. Our goal isn't just to renovate a house, it's to create a clean, welcoming space that feels modern, functional, and truly move-in ready. It's amazing what can happen with the right vision and the right team behind it. These projects just don't transform properties, they increase value, strengthen neighborhoods, and give homes a new chapter. If you enjoy seeing these before and after transformations like this, follow along for more. And if you know someone who's looking to sell a property, go to prohomebuyer.com. And if you want to get access to the marketing channel that's helped me flip over 1,000 houses, go to claimmymarket.com to see if your market's available. Again, claimmymarket.com.